All right. Shannon's going back doing his box. He got a coin, but we're going to open it last. Good luck, dude. Who's playing tonight?
No NFL. There's like 4 college games.
Kirk Cousins.
Kirk Cousins base.
75.
Beautiful cards.
Jeremy Nichols. If we don't get one of him, we ain't opening anything.
Wow, that's beautiful.
I like that card, Darren Woodson.
Yeah.
That's a nice card. What's it number to? 10?
19.
1 of 19, is that what it says?
I think so. No, you're right. 1 of 10.
1 of 10, Woodson. All right. What's up, Dan? All right. Let's see what we got here. Juju.
A little Juju action.
Boy, this box has been shit.
I would really like that card, though. Just
Yeah, that card's cool, but. Yikes.
I got another one of those.
Somebody get us a gold Tom Brady's what I'm hoping. Des Bryant, is that a base?
That's a base, yeah.
All right, so we're hoping that the coin is good. He likes the Woodson. He said wrong bear. Yeah.
Yeah, no doubt. That's the same bear I got last time I opened one of these.
Come on, be gold. It's gold.
Well, I got some good news.
Is it Brady?
No, I have no idea who it is, but it is my team.
Okay, well that's good. The Bears. All right, B. Trubinsky gold.
That's a Hall of Famer.
Okay, so I'm gonna guess Singletary. Red Grange? That's even better. Please be gold. Be sick if it was.
No, silver.
That's a sick card, dude. Red Grange to 15. That's the second coin you've pulled, dude. I thought that thing felt heavy like a freaking brick. Y'all didn't believe me. Felt like it. Anyway. All right, boys. You got the Red Grange silver to 15. Y'all come on down. I'm going to be here all day. Austin's not here, so it'll be fun. See ya.